people. There's parking here. Do we want to park here? It's $4. Each 15 minutes. Whoa. Each 15 minutes is $4?
Whatever.
Oh, $10 for maximum. The hell, that's stupid. That's what I said on the sign. So, and I are here at the LA District Fashion where they have like a lot of stuff on sale. It is really hot, and homegirl is crazy. She's wearing like long sleeve, but she got burned, so I don't blame her. But yeah, it is like super hot here, or not super hot, but it's warm and the sun is out. Let's hope most of the stores are open. None of these stores are open yet. Lazy people. Thing is actually opening 11, yo. It's supposed to be open 9:30. Oh, okay. Well, mostly it's supposed to be 9:30, but I guess these people are not up yet. I'm excited. I'll show you guys what is. Well, remember this place so we know. Thank goodness today is not that busy yet. There's a lot of dresses here. Not really that many people. Cool. Well, I think we went there last time, no? Oh, that goes. Wait. Oh, really? No, go ahead. No, go Johnny. Yeah. No, we can see it. Okay, so Lisa, Jared, and I are about to go get. Yeah. Oh, to go get my mango thingy. And you're gonna be so jelly. Jared doesn't like it though, but I love it, and you're gonna be so jelly. Okay, we're crossing the road right now. Why don't you like it again? Oh, you don't like the flavor. Huh? I think we bought Julie's shoe from here last time. No, how mấy chứ bọn hắn khi nở mango theo. Có rồi, có cơ. Ủa, đi miệng thấy cái cháy tê à? Ui.
Hair extension.
Oh, cái lựa chọn này thì 99 cents.
Mia is waiting in line for her. I don't even know what it's called. What is it called? Tamarito drink.
Yes, please.
is how it looks like. It has mango. Okay, explain what it is.
Huh?
Explain what it is.
I don't really know what it is. It's just mango and a lot of yumminess. Okay, we'll just hold on to it and then I will take a picture and send it to Fat Girl.
What is it? Oh, we've never been to this side. Will they let you buy one? What is it? For what?
I love mustard.
So we are lost trying to find the fabric place. What do you have to say?
Oh, I don't have anything to say. I just hope we find it. I don't know, wherever. sao luôn nó Camo LA after nó là to liệu I mean chưa ở Hollywood nè. It is way too hot. Like about 2 years ago we came here, it was hot but it was not humid. But today it is really hot and it's really humid. I feel like dying. This is like July 4th. Last year, no, it's really hot. I'm always hot, so. Stop low dehydrated. Sao thọ tiểu. Chị cứ bỏ cho cô phía. Chị can try kissing. Đây là cái nó. Not the part. Oh, lot of it's too heavy. Try it. Lo hơn đâu có. Oh, the low heels. unbearable today. So hot and humid. You know what that means?
I mean, earthquake is coming.
Coconut.
I know that.
Yummy.
What did you think it was?
I don't know what it was.
The watermelons are cold.
Oh, because at the bottom, I'll eat some. So how it is for
Is this fresh?
Yeah. It's good. Okay. You didn't finish saying what you were saying. So hot and humid and like it wasn't as hot when we were here 2 years ago. And the dude that we just the dude that we bought shoes from, he said that usually when it's hot like this, there's like gonna be an earthquake. So
Doesn't it look so weird on? When I turn right here,
yeah.
it goes straight. It looks like it goes straight.
Is it?
I don't want to turn left.
Right, you mean ultra level. I thought it said turn right.
I know that's how it is.
But yeah, it is like super busy. It's pretty down here, but it's like super busy. Okay, so we hung up part 2. But today we didn't fail like yesterday because I paid online. Is it? We ordered Thai food again because, you know, we're Asian. Is that really the soup? Yeah, I think that is. This is the coconut thingy. We ordered the curry and then the coconut and then, what is that? Yeah, look, one more.
Maybe this is my sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Miso soup.
But we didn't order miso soup. This is the,
Maybe it comes with that.
no, it's the rice. Remember, it's the pork over
I
rice.
said maybe it comes with this.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we're gonna eat. We are hungry. We've been waiting forever.